Hello, parents and students. This is Mr. Lee. Today is April 6th. I almost forgot what day it is. No, it's kind of crazy. I hope everyone's doing all right. I just wanted to share with you before this work got here, the work that I have sent out that is aligned with what the fourth graders are doing for the next couple of weeks. As you can see here on the left side of my screen, is just like a little cover letter and kind of just an outline of the stuff that is in this packet or that is in your packet. I'm not expecting all the work done. I know I've said this time and time again, especially on the phone. This time around, it's a little more less structured, just because I know some of you are, you still work. You only have small amounts of time here and there to work on things. For those of you who are a little bit more structured, take it a page by day, something like that. Of course, academics are very important. However, some of these life skill things that you can work on right now, like laundry, cooking, chores, stuff like that, that's going to help you out phenomenally. Or that'll help your child out phenomenally. So week one of work, I've included a story. Now, some of yours will look a little bit different. Not everyone has the same story. Plus, you're going to fill out the main idea and detail sheet. I will have a video on a story that is in the packets, plus helping to find the main idea and detail. I will send that out in a separate email. Math this week, I want you working with telling time, and this is another one that I'm going to record a lesson teaching time again. I know I did one last week. However, this one is it's working on telling time to the hours, half hours, and quarter hours. So I will definitely have a video on each of those explaining how to find them. So if you're confused about how to teach it, or you have other siblings at home or other children at home, you can plop them down in front of a video that of me teaching it, and then it's a little less work on your end. And then writing is brainstorming ideas on what you're excited or nervous for middle school. So this is a progression. This writing is a progression over the next 5 weeks. You don't have to do everything in 1 week. Okay. So I'm going to flip through here. One of the stories is called Butterflies. So you'll read this. I know this is going to be sideways. I went too far. Okay. Here's the main idea off to the left here. Here's the main idea in detail. So it's called What's the Story About? So you're going to write the title of the story. You're going to have your child write it. You're going to have them write the main idea, the overall big picture of things, and then a detail. So once you find the main idea, then you're finding different details that go along with the main idea. So the main idea of this could be simply, the main idea of this story is called about butterflies. Okay. The detail, one of the details could be, in the story, they have very fragile wings. Boom. There's one of your details. Okay. Like I said, I'll have a video on this. Telling time. You can go in any order that you want. This is telling time to the quarter hours. I'll have a video on this. There's off to the left here is telling time to the half hours. Over here is telling time to the whole hours. Okay, so you just have to really pay attention to this top part up here, to the half hours and whole hours. You can disregard the grade 1 time worksheet. Not sure how that got in there. These are just really good lessons on telling time, because once you get up into 4th grade, there really isn't a whole lot of time stuff. So I had to pull some stuff from different resources. So disregard that grade 1. That doesn't matter. Okay. Now writing. This off to the left here is the weeks 1 through 5 with the expectations of writing. This aligns with the 4th grade of what they're doing with just some basic like opinion writing. So what are you excited for, nervous for middle school next year? Week 1 is simply just brainstorming ideas where you're excited or nervous for middle school next year. Then you're going to circle your top choice. So make sure you read the directions. So you're going to write 1, I'm excited for, to meet new friends. 2, I'm excited to have different teachers. 3, we kind of have a say in the classes that you get to pick. So then you go and circle if your friends is your top choice, you're going to circle your top your top choice. Whoops. Because in week 2, when you work on this the following week, you're going to come up with some reasons why. So you're going to take that top reason that you circled, you're going to transfer it onto the week 2 page, and then you are going to write a few reasons about why you picked that. Okay, so I will have, like I said, I will have some videos explaining all of this. I will go through how to do all of this, and I will shoot you out an email. Please stay healthy and safe. If you have any questions, please let me know. However, I'm going to be a little bit more less like running with my head cut off this time. So hopefully everything is a little bit more self-explanatory. Otherwise, stay healthy and safe and have a great week.